What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everyone? Good morning to the TGIF live stream, guys. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader at NewEdgeWallStreet.com. We're a primarily options trading community here, guys. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Can everyone hear me? How are you guys all doing? I'm still kind of setting up everything here, guys. Just give me a few minutes, a few moments, I should say. How was everyone's trading week, guys? What's up? What's up, guys? One second, I'm trying to log into my platform right here, guys. J. What the hell? Oh, now I'm locking myself out. I decked out this one. Yeah, I wore my gear or whatever today, guys. You guys could go and you could buy this stuff on the newagewallstreet.com website. Um, love the fit. Thank you, bro. Sound and video good. Thank you, bro. Good morning, guys. Go. Yeah, I got all my stuff. I'm gonna go get my haircut right now. So I didn't want to put stuff in it. But I have a hair appointment here in a little bit. Um, all right, so we're gonna jump right in here, guys. Go ahead and look at some tickers and things like that. So just give me a moment, all right? A couple of like announcement things and stuff here while I'm pulling stuff up, guys. Just to let you guys know, uh, oops. Just to let you guys know, so next week on Friday is quad witching. So if you guys don't know what quad witching is, it's when the bonds market, the derivative market, the future market, and then there's another one. I always forget what the last one is. All the contracts expire on the same day. Historically, I fucking lose my ass on those days. So I usually take those. I usually take those days off. So also, I've been working pretty dang hard as far as trading and stuff. So I don't need to lose all the money I've made for this month. So I'm gonna take next Friday off. So there won't be a TGIF stream next Friday. Okay. For my members that are in the room, for the members that are in the room and whatnot, the I will still be here available for you guys. Okay. I will be. I'll just be in the office like doing some other stuff. But I'll be here still like to call out trades and everything for you guys. So next week, I'm taking Friday off. Make sure you sign up for the lifetime membership, guys. The $299 still going on. If you want to put the link up there for me, and then that's it. I think as far as the announcement things. Other thing is next weekend is also daylight savings time. Don't forget about that, guys. You don't want to be waking up late for the open. Okay. I thought it had already passed. I thought it was the weekend I got back from Puerto Rico, but it's not. So, all right. So let me get this switched here real quick, guys. All right, we're gonna just do this like this today. All right, there we go. So we won't have the chat thing or whatever in there. Usually I have the chat like right above my thing, but we're working on like new overlays and all that stuff. So it's kind of messed up right now. So I appreciate you bearing with me. We're just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and stream everything on here. So right here's my flow algo. Right here is the Thinkorswim, and then you got me over here in the corner. So we're just gonna go ahead and roll with it like that. All right, guys. All right. I like Microsoft from Tech. Yes, I appreciate all the likes. Please, guys, subscribe. Daylight is this weekend? I don't think so. Daylight savings time is next week on the 19th. Oh, you're right. Excuse me. So you're right. So daylight savings time is this weekend, guys. So make sure that you roll your stuff forward here this weekend. I know it's all automatic nowadays and everything, but again, I don't want you waking up for the open all late and everything on Monday. We're all going to be feeling it on Monday watch. I already feel it like right now, like coming into the office. I used to drive, into the office and it was dark as crap. Now it's light outside when I'm driving in. But all right, let's go ahead and get going here. All right, so So right here on the SPY, guys, yesterday we had a freaking awesome day here on the SPY. So even outdid everything that I thought it was gonna do. So if I want to do this 5 minutes, it's gonna make it look a little bit better. So this is all-time highs right here. This line right here, I believe, was the all-time highs, and I thought we were gonna just come up to the pre-market highs right here, the 392, where it also went up to before, and come further down. So come back down here, maybe to the PDC and stuff like that. Dude, as soon as we got this volume and momentum, man, this thing was nuts. Like, just straight up right here, which is really, really nice. So we did get that distribution right here against the 395.50. You can see where it just went backwards, and then the fade down right here. So we got the fade down. Everyone selling into the close, just securing some of those profits. So now we're gapped down actually here today. A little bit more weakness. There isn't any as much volume here today. So I think we're gonna have an inside day, guys. So we'll see. This area is going to be a major importance right here. So you have the pivot and also the PDC right here, the 393.53, which is right above the old all-time high. So we may go up and test right there, but I don't think we're going to have as much volume, all right? If you guys have tickers, call them out for me, and I'll go over them. One thing I do want to point out to you guys, I need to get some water. Dry as hell. One thing I want to point out to you is like here on Tesla. So here, this is the chart here from Tesla. It got back up to the 700. It even got above 710 here this day. Whenever you're playing, guys, you got to come over, and this is what part of being an advantage of being an options trader here. So you could see the underlying and the way that the options are being priced and the way that the market makers are positioning themselves as according to the options market. So if you come over to the 700s right here, they sold about 1,000 of them. It was 10,000 before. So 8,900 open interest here at the 700 here, guys. So they're gonna want to keep it below the 700, those market makers today, in order for that premium to expire. Okay, which reminds me, if you guys are playing options, please do not use today's expiration. Make sure you guys are using next week's expiration so you don't get that theta decay really hitting you, all right? If you're going to play anything today, you got to risk to zero. So it would be zero. So like if you buy a contract for $5, it's actually 500, right? So you're taking it that you're going to just lose that $500, all right? Just assume that risk. All right. So I'm not really too interested in the whole Tesla thing unless we come and start breaking like the 660 and stuff further down here. I think we're just going to kind of range in here today. So I don't think it's going to do anything too crazy. And then same thing with a lot of other tickers too. They're kind of like in the middle of their ranges, and they need to perk up a little bit in order to make a direction change. Just to let you guys know, on my transparency, so I do have a couple open swings open, and I may just take the L's on them here at the open. SOS, I have this one is actually the one that I'm probably going to keep more because it's longer dated. But this is so this is a really nice setup right here. The compression is put in this base, and I want this to start running back up. So I have April 16th, 7.5 calls. But sucks. We got this gap down, and we made a nice move right here to the upside, and then now we gap down. So see if we could hold above 6 here today. Okay. Then excuse me, my nose is tickling. Then I have also I have Tilray. So Tilray over here. I wanted this to do this. Made a really nice run into the close. I bought it right at the close to try to get it to 30. And I was thinking, with the whole Biden speech and stuff, and as they were mentioning marijuana, that it would go. Now with that, these are for today. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of these or do something with them really quickly here. But I do like this setup on the macro right here, guys. So it triggered compression just on one thing, but it's trying to cross back up, put in this base, and then I wanted to get above 30 and start trying to push again to the upside here on tail race. So I may need to roll over these what I have and take some longer dated expirations. Well, Apple, ideally green position before monthly calls will update. Yeah. Apple, yeah, Apple's like underneath like almost everything, dude. Apple's underneath the PDC. It's underneath the R1, the R2. So we're looking pretty bearish today. So I would expect people to take profit from this week. We had a really awesome run this week. So yeah. Looking at my other different swings today. Yes, so that's a good point. Excuse me. That's a good point there by Hot Potato. So, and this is kind of like what I was talking about at the beginning of the week, is that they're going to want to pull this back in order for more bulls to be able to get into the market, to be able to for the people that missed the drop right here. They're going to want to pull this back in order to buy a further dip and then continue going. I'm kind of excited. I want to see what exactly is going to go, what's going to happen when we get to 400, because my big macro thesis is that we tap 400 and then we come way further down. So all right. BA. Oh yeah. So Boeing is right here above 250. So Boeing looking really good in this on the swing idea here that we had the other day. So I even put this on. I need to update it. The one that I had on Twitter, it was at 245 here the other day, and then now up here at 255, and then I mean we have all the way to 275 or so. Yeah, 275 first, and then 296 or so. So this, I like this swing idea right here on Boeing, which was doing so. But like I was saying, guys, I don't have a lot that I'm 100%, if anything, interested in, where like I'm like drilling over to take a position. So if nothing pops up, nothing pops up. But we'll see if we get some momentum or stuff. I think we get more like little downside plays more than anything. So. CGC, the marijuana ticker. All right, so the other one here. So someone that said Neo. So Neo has actually been following. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. So Neo has been actually following. Let me see here. Neo's actually been following Tesla pretty well here, guys. So if you take a look here, well, actually, it didn't really. So it was a lot stronger than Tesla, but for the majority of the week here, it was following Tesla, where it came up and then it popped up, came back, and then just chilling right here, guys. So you kind of gotta have, if you're gonna have Neo up, you look at Tesla and you could kind of see, even like here in pre-market, if you put, so this is Neo and then you come and put Tesla right here, it's it's the same. So I'll use the 5 minute. So it looks exactly the same, right? You like, if I were to take off the names of the tickers right here, you wouldn't know which one is which. So you could kind of gauge off of each other which way they're going. Okay, so Neo tends to sympathize with Tesla. All right. Any other tickers or anything, guys? It sucks I can't have music on YouTube. Tesla, yeah. So we just went over Tesla, and then TNXP. I don't see what you're looking at on this one here, dude. TNXP. They're trying to get regain Nasdaq compliance right here, dude. So other than that, there's not much going on with it, dude. There's so the way that I would be looking at this is you have this almost inverse head and shoulders. So here's your head, your left shoulder, and right here you're at the neckline right here. So I would think that we would get a little bit more of a dip, probably here to the $1 again, close to the $1, and then it try to push up and then break above this neckline again. Josh, what's up, dude? If you guys have any questions on like your trading and like stuff you're working on your trading, or just anything technical like on what you see on my stuff, just let me know and I'll go over it with you. Okay. Yeah, but the VIX is rising a little bit here, guys. Qs want to break back down here a little bit, so yeah, I'm cautiously bear biased this morning. Is the way that I would put it. Yeah. So today, basically, we had a really nice run up all week. So all week here, beautiful run up, dude. Beautiful run up here. Very nice bullish run. Very nice money that we made this week, at least for me. And so things can't go straight up like this forever. We do got to have a little bit of a pullback, and then we got up above all time highs. So I believe today, especially it being Friday and going into the weekend, people are going to want to take some profits. So I'm looking for this to kind of pull back. If we could have like a day like kind of ranging in between here, maybe this 389.50 and then 391, I would call that a win on that. So today, yes, we get a little bit of a pullback. Monday, we should continue on our merry way as far as the bullish stuff. But the other thing to this is, right, on a more macro outlook overall on the market and what everything that's going on, is that we got the stimulus signed and everything yesterday, right? So that was the last part of bullish type catalyst that we had as part of COVID. So we already have the vaccine. We already have, stuff opening up. Now we have the stimulus stuff. There's not much else that, they could put out there as far as like positive catalyst out into the market. So, honestly, man, I would not be surprised if this was just a huge, bear trap in order to be able to go ahead and get more short, and then we go crashing further down, further than we did the week before. So yeah, so even further than that, you know what I mean? So what's a good penny stock to look at? Honestly, man, I understand why you guys look at penny stocks, being newer beginner traders. The thing is that you're not going to get as much value out of the penny stocks, dude. And this is coming from me playing penny stocks and me playing small caps. That's how I cut my teeth, and I first came up as a trader. So you could go and what I would do, man, like is just play options. Like go play options on actual reputable companies, like Roku right now. So I mean, if you're looking at Roku, and I bet Roku comes down at least 10 points today. If you go and you look at Roku and bring it up here, so you get like 350s. So 350s right here at the money. These are $1. So these are $1 right here, dude. That's $100 for 100 shares. You can make some pretty good money off of that if you're playing the options just on Roku. So, and it's way better than playing the small caps, because they were so wild and so volatile, and they're not even driven to playing by the rules as far as technical analysis on the charts. So it doesn't make sense. That's my advice, man. I've done both of them. I've done small caps. I do options now. I don't know. Honestly, options are a whole lot like penny stocks on steroids. So anyone that has used to trade penny stocks and has converted over, they don't go back. There's no reason to go back, because you get the same amount of leverage and volatility, probably even more, and with more safety behind it. All right, guys. Last minute takers here real quick before the open. I've seen that, dude. AMPG. No, there's no flow on it right now, dude. No flow on it right now. All right, guys. 2:30 to the bell here. Let's have a great trade session. Finish out this week strong, and make sure you're mitigating your risk, taking profits at your relevant levels. Let's get this money today. All right. All right. I'm looking for the gap down, smackdown on Tesla. So the pop up to the R1, and then fell of the R1 right here at the open. Same thing. Same thing with Amazon. And I gotta, dude, I'm gonna have to apologize for my hat here, guys, but I can't see the screen when I look up. I don't know, my hair is gonna be wild. Oh, yeah, S1. Excuse me. Thank you for correcting me. Ooh, this tail raise being a piece of shit, dude. Oops. All right, guys. All right, so the SPY opened up a little bit up here, but you could tell it's having some trouble. There it goes, pulling back. Mm-hmm. All right, so Tesla's going to come and test this R2 and come further down right here. I do believe, yep. Excuse me. All right, so SPY, Tesla, everything pushing up a little bit here. Careful, guys. GME, GameStop, yeah, GameStop moving up. All right, so I'm just waiting here, guys. All right, so got up into a little bit of resistance here on the SPY. See if it builds a base and wants to go further up, but like I said, I think we come further down here, guys.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Oh, you piece of crap. All right. Excuse me. Trying to let this downside work right here, guys. So just letting it do its thing.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm managing quite a few trades right here, guys. So uh, appreciate you being patient. ENTX. ENTX is halted.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Tesla's looking pretty strong right here, guys. So trying to be patient and see if we get this downside here. So let these things work. We got this resistance here on Tesla, the 677 or so. Yeah, this action kind of sucks today, guys, to be 100% honest. Whoa, big slide off there on Tesla. Dude, the SPY is strong right here, guys.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Stopped out on Amazon. All right, so watching Tesla, like I was saying here at this R1, or excuse me, S1. Is the SPY really going to be strong all day today too? This will be nuts if it is. There's not that this volume like it was here at the beginning. This volume walking up right here. So there is some divergence right here on the SPY. So I do believe we do get a pullback. There it is. So there's the wash, but I do believe we come a little bit further back. That demand isn't there to continue the way up, unless it just grinds up on the low volume. But I don't think that's going to be the case. DIA. There's the pullback here on the SPY.
Order filled.
Some Snap getting some nice sweeps right here. Kev was playing Snap the other day, bro. You wanted to hold it. Oh, that's it pulled back though. I thought it was strong right now.
Contracts.
SOS is trying to move up. I have that swing on SOS.
CXA calls. April 16th, 2021. 644 contracts.
EYES.
16 calls. March 19th, 2021. 868 contracts. Order filled.
Yeah, ENTX. ENTX is looking good here, dude. We were saying the other day it was gonna get to $50, or I mean $10. Excuse me.
ANPN. 3,150 calls. March 19th, 2021. 113 contracts.
All right, so I'm just watching SPY at this R1 right, or excuse me, S1. I keep on saying R1, S1. See if it's gonna reject that high right there. SPY is pretty solid here to the upside so far today, guys. But like I said, this divergence, kind of like what we're having right now, there's lower volume as it's going up. I think it's going to come back further down.
1,000 spike. 391 puts. March 15th, 2021. 1,699 contracts.
All right, so outs and stop outs and stuff here, guys. So gonna just wait until we get another setup. Yeah. If you guys see any other type of setups or anything, call them out for me. Call them out for as a team. Well, I don't know. I'm looking at your picture there, Kevin. I don't know what that means. Oh, this is just the level 2, dude. I think that was when it was. Oh, when it was halted. That was it. Was that when it was halted? Yeah, RKT is a piece of crap, bro. If it shakes me out and it starts going, I'm gonna be upset on that RKT. Yeah, Walmart. Yeah, Walmart bounced off it right here, dude. But watch for the rejection up here towards the 132.80, 132.85 or so. It may come back further down. Ooh, Snapchat is making a good, nice move up.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
What a beautiful market, he says. Good, dude. We're on YouTube today. There's the down candle on the SPY. So I've taken a couple trades on Tesla and Amazon. Some stop outs here, dude. So yes, so like the way that you guys are seeing the flow algo, you'll see the flow algo every day. As a member if you sign up with us. How does BA look? Oh, sorry, dude. I didn't see your thing. Oh, Boeing looks really good, dude. It looks like it wants to break this R1. All right. So let's see. Market found its top for the day right here. You can see there's lots of resistance right up here. So see if we get back to this. I believe this is the S1 right here. Yeah, S1. So if it starts putting on this base though, where this line is at, we should see a little bit further upside though. There is some pretty good volume on this candle right here on the SPY. So It's weird, dude. Like the way the SPY is moving, like it's going, it's going up, but there's definitely sellers in this area right here. Uh, I would so not on the basis that the stimulus passed. So the stimulus passing has already been priced in. Dude, it's just it's crazy the amount of buying, bro. I like that hot potato. I like that trade. So if we get this magic Mike 5 minute candle right here on the SPY, we should reverse pretty nicely right here. But as you can see, this is kind of like the other way. It's like a more of a bigger indecision right here. There we go.
290 calls. April 1st, 2021. 1,400 BBBY. 33 calls. March 19th, 2021. 850 AAL. 24 calls. March 19th, 2021. 833 contracts.
I'm trying to play for the reversal right here, guys. Let's see. Just looks really strong, but light that hot potato. There we go. ENTX just stopped. Yeah, so it's halted, bro. Volatility halt.
S22 calls. March
It's another
19th,
reason why you don't play small caps.
897 contracts.
On which thing, dude? Which thing are you looking at? Which ticker? What do you see?
500 contracts.
Oh, excuse me.
T31 calls. March 19th, 2021. 760 contracts. T32 calls. June 18th, 2021. 750 contracts. T31 calls.
Man, it really testing my patience today.
500 contracts.
Yeah, definitely. And you know what, dude? When I got up this morning and I looked at the market, I was like, this kind of looks ugly, man. I really don't want to mess with this. And here we are.
AAL. 23 calls. March 19th, 2021. 505 contracts.
30 to 60 minutes. Just need to wait a little longer today. Yeah, I think so, dude. I think so, to be honest. Oh, look, I sold my Tilray and it's fucking going, dude. $15 more minutes for which direction? There we go. See if we could break this little area right here on the SPY. That's 392. You know what, Darren? We don't need that type of negativity over here. How did you try to get your order filled on the SPY there, Mauricio? I mean, you could do that. I mean, I usually market order my trades, dude. And on the SPY, you usually have like a penny spread on it, bro. So it's not a big, big deal. I think we're gonna get this compression release to the downside on Tesla. No, the SPY is the most liquid fucking ticker in the market, dude. Yeah, you'll be all right, bro. Bro, why can't we get a violent fucking downward momentum? None of this fucking slow bleed shit. Simpson, yo, buddy. What's going on, dude? There we go. More downside. Let's break this 392 right here.
AAPL. 122 calls.
There we go.
March 19, 2021. 964
Roblox?
contracts.
I haven't even pulled it up, dude. Oh man, I made my nose bleed.
JBLU. 19 puts. March 19, 2021. 530 contracts.
There we go. Now we're getting some volume sales. VIX is rising. All's right in the world again. Yeah, Roblox. Yeah, I think it was actually on Tuesday, but yeah, it's not really doing anything right now.
358 contracts. Calls. April 16, 2021. 2,328 contracts. AR 15 calls. August 20th.
AR-15 calls. I always laugh when there's sweets on this one. Spy having a nosebleed too. Wall Street Bets was trying to pump Roblox up crazy a few months ago. Roblox just IPO'd this week though. Or were you saying that like when it IPOs to everyone to buy it? Timber, yeah, I seen Timber. It's going crazy.
T31 calls. March 19, 2021. 3,525 contracts.
Oh, really? That's funny, dude. That's smart. Maybe they're not as autistic as we all thought.
T31 calls. March 19, 2021. 3,571 contracts.
If the so right now the Qs is the QQQ for the Nasdaq, it's sitting on the S1 right now. If it breaks that, we're gonna get some pretty nice downside, and then we have the S1 as well here on the SPY. So we'll see if we get a little bounce here or if it continues selling then at that point too. How much more? I would say we get down to fucking 350. $300 would be dope. Q's just broke that support here, guys. Damn, not even a bounce here, dude. There we go. There we go. I mean, that would be nice if it got down to 350, but I don't know if that's really feasible. VIX is shooting up pretty high, guys.
PLTR. 25 calls. March 19, 2021. 1,991 contracts. BIRT. 30 calls. March 19, 2021. 760 contracts. BIAC. 100 calls. March 19, 2021. 522 contracts.
Damn, it's only an hour into the open. Yeah, GameStop. 300 is huge for it though, dude. We'll see. If it gets over 300 and it stays over 300, like I wrote a thing on Twitter, it will go fucking nuts, dude. Especially if it's closer to the end of the day. SPY trying to break this S1 again. Oh man, they may protect this pivot right here.
April 16, 2021. 1,100 BIAC. 100 calls. March 19, 2021. 514 contracts.
I know the 800s. Yeah, I saw that. Damn, then the Nasdaq reclaimed the S1 too. So see if it pushes back below. It's kind of stuck in between this 313 and 312. Noob question. Shoot, yeah. What's it? What are the Q? So the Nasdaq, Mauricio. So a lot, like most of the tech tickers, dude. A lot of the tech tickers that we play, the high betas, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, or not Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix. I don't know if I said that. Yeah, right here. So I was expecting the bump right here at the pivot on the SPY. So put in this little bear flag and then see if we could come further. The thing about this though is that we have more support just straight right under at the 391. I don't know how much further. Like I said, I just wanted a range. You know what I mean? Like I thought, to go between those lines, which would be a good day. So, but I mean, if we start selling really aggressively, then I mean, even better, whatever. But yeah, I mean, I would like it, to sell a whole lot more aggressively. But there's not really any negative catalyst to drive like a sell right now. I don't think so. Yeah, 390 would be a big support area. This area where it's at right now, actually. Jamie breaking hard. Got to get over 300. You don't care. I don't care about it unless it gets over 300, dude. Man, these blue candles are hard to see, dude. Double bottom. I mean, it could. That's a good thesis that it would hold the pivot and then make it move up. You know what would be really cool is if Amazon got back to 3,000 today. Yeah, it's pretty slow, dude. Pretty slow. Well, so far, oh, we got a little bump up here on the SPY.
CSCO. 50 calls. March 26th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
View up and prior day open. Yeah, right here. This right here, 392.14.
NRO. 15 calls. April 1st, 2021. 740 contracts.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna jump off the YouTube, guys, since this isn't too exciting. Everything's just kind of moving slow. Way different action today than it has been the rest of the week. So, um, just gonna go hang out with my my room
TSLA. 600 clicks.
and wait for these trades here, guys.
2021. 200 and some KHC. 40 calls. March 19th, 2021. 870 contracts. TSL. 60 clicks. July 16th, 2021. 1,188. 290 calls. April 1st, 2021. 1,022 contracts.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off the YouTube here real quick. I appreciate you guys coming for the stockcast and what have you. We will have or not stockcast, today was TGIF live stream. On Sunday we will have the stockcast. We will do technical analysis and go over tickers. If you want to come and hang out and go over that and get ready for your trade week, okay? If you need anything, send me a DM on Twitter, send me an email if you guys need anything like that. I'm gonna hop on the Discord and hang out with my room. And for the rest of you guys have a great rest of your day, okay?